Hi everyone. Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today we're going to walk you through how to save a document as a Word document step by step. Whether you're working on an important report, an assignment, or just taking notes, saving your file correctly ensures you can access and edit it later. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on File in the top left corner of Microsoft Word. This will open a menu with various options related to your document. Step 2. Click on Save As, then click on Browse. This allows you to choose where you want to store your document. Step 3. Choose the location where you want to save the file, such as your hard drive or the Documents folder. Selecting a familiar location makes it easier to find later. Step 4. Enter a file name, such as your last name followed by a document title. This helps you identify the file quickly. Step 5. Click on the Save as Type drop-down menu and select Word document.docx. This format keeps your document fully editable and compatible with Microsoft Word. Step 6. Click Save to store the document in the selected location. Now your file is safely saved and ready for future use. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tech tips.